Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my latest boom and crash strategy. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you my latest boom and crash strategy. Okay, as we all know, boom and crash is one of the most favorite traded pairs and loved by everybody. Okay, but now in this my new strategy, I'm going to be sharing with you how to approach this market. You don't need any single indicator in this strategy. You don't need any single indicator in this strategy. Okay, as we all know, fundamentally this is how the market delivers price. The market buys in the buy side, the market buys, pulls back, but it does not come below the last low. Okay, then it makes another buy trend, taking out the previous high. Okay, the market pulls back to somewhere around here or the extreme. Okay, but it does not take out the previous low. It does not take out the previous low. It just pulls back to somewhere around the extreme. Then it makes another bull run, taking out the previous high that it made, and also pulls back again and continue going upwards. Okay, so this is how the market fundamentally delivers price when it is in a bullish condition. Okay, that's how the market delivers price when it's in a bullish condition. I also show you these examples in the live chat. Okay, but now in a sell side condition or in a bearish condition, the market sells downward, then it pulls back but does not go above the previous high. Then it makes another sell price delivery, taking out the last previous low. Okay, then as soon as it takes out the low, it still continues selling a little bit, then pulls back to somewhere around the middle or the extreme. Okay, depending on where the supply block is, before making another movement downwards. Okay, before making another movement downward, taking out the previous lows. Okay, then as soon as it does that, the market also pulls back, because some people will start looking at this market and they will know that the market is selling. They'll start jumping into the sell, but they'll jump in somewhere around here. Okay, so and this market is want to take them out, so the market will pull back, making those people that started selling from here be in heavy drawdown and eventually closing their trade. And once they close their trade, the market starts selling again, taking out the previous highs. So don't get crazy. Always make sure you take trades from the extreme zones, okay, just like how you saw me took trade in boom 300. We'll also get to that, but just try and understand the fundamental way to determine price, okay, or price delivery. Okay, so the market also pulls back after taking out the low, pulls back to the next supply zone before coming back to take out the low. Okay, so when you see markets having this kind of price delivery, you know that the market is in a sell side trend. But as soon as the market starts taking out the previous lows, you know that the trend has changed and the market is now bullish. Okay, so that's just the fundamental way to determine price delivery in the market. Now let's look at the charts. Okay, looking at the charts, what do you see here? The same exact thing. The market is selling in this the market price action is selling. So the market bought, then it sold downwards, bought again, sold downwards, taking out this low. Okay, when it sold here, it also took out that low. Then after it sold again, then it pulled back, coming back to this extreme zone, okay, then it sold again, taking out these lows, the previous low, and also pulled back again. But this time around, it did not pull back to the extreme, it pulled back to the middle zone, then it started selling again. So our next expected price direction is that the market should take out this low that was formed here, this extreme zone, this price delivery. This pullback that just happened is expected to take out this low. Okay, continuing the bearish trend. So that's just the fundamental way of determining price and knowing price direction. And if you trade this way, you catch trades that gives you very small stop loss areas. Okay, you don't just chase prices, wait for price to come back down to the extreme zones, because the market makers, they also wait for price to come down to extreme zones before they buy. Okay, before they buy. Look at what happened here. The same scenario happened here. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame, the smaller time frame. The market bought from here, got to this point after taking out this high, then it pulled back, it got to this extreme, to the demand zone that was there. Then it came here and broke this previous high. Okay, it broke that previous high because the market is in a bullish condition. Then it also pulled back again and went up again. Then it came down here again and pulled back, okay, before going higher, taking out these two previous highs. Okay, now after doing that, the market came back down. When it got here, it made this inducement before coming down to the extreme zone. So don't get crazy. Always wait for market to come down to extreme zones. For market to come down to extreme zones before buying. Okay, and if the market start breaking all these lows, you know that the market has changed direction, and the market is in a is now in a bearish conditions. Okay, so you understand, this is just how to trade this strategy. It's a very simple strategy, but once you get good trades, you'll be in huge profits. It does not matter the time frame you enter from, whether it's the 15-minute time frame or it's the 1 hour time frame. You just have to follow order flow. Okay, you just have to follow order flow. Follow the order flow. Wait for market to pull back, and then it continue going upward, taking out the next high. Okay, the market keeps repeating that scenario because it's in a bullish market condition. It does not take out the previous lows, but it only takes out the previous highs. Okay guys, hope you understand and you learned one or two things from this strategy. Okay, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to share this video to other trading communities. And also, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next